Are you over 50 and you are still trading time for dollars? But why? Over 50, you've worked decades. It's time for you to slow down. It's time to look after yourself. It's time to invest in yourself. It's time for time freedom. It's time for family time. It's time for your family, for your children, your grandchildren. For those who don't know me, I'm 66 years old, just a normal grandfather of 3. And I restarted my life at 64. I had to close all my companies after COVID and didn't know what to do. So I was struggling, I was really struggling. Then I discovered this Freedom Formula blueprint that taught me how to set up my business, how to start the online business, because not everybody knows how to start a business, and how to earn daily passive income with a fully automated system. Everything is in the recipe, in the blueprint that I followed. So you don't need to know anything. So that's not an excuse. If you are coachable and you want to change your life and you want to have more time freedom and family time, you must put your mind to that. It will be easy. If you want to know how the system works that I follow since June of 2024, as a grandfather, normal grandfather that is teaching other grandfathers over 50 how to start a new life, how to earn online from the comfort of your home, from your cell phone or your laptop, and enjoy life, enjoy your family. Put ready in the comment box and I will share this with you with absolute pleasure, my friend. Have a wonderful day.